In this video, we'll explore Amazon's algorithm and its #1 goal, why it might not be ranking our books, and what we can do to make it work in our favor. Let's start with the #1 goal of Amazon's algorithm. Its main objective is to convert browsers into buyers. This is Amazon's top priority. The algorithm is designed to guide customers through their buying journey. When people come to Amazon, they're looking to purchase products, including books. They search for a title and land on our book listing, so converting that interest into a sale is key. Amazon aims to save customers time by presenting them with the right book as quickly as possible. It also strives to help customers make informed buying decisions, ensuring they don't end up with a book that doesn't meet their needs. Ultimately, Amazon wants customers to return and buy even more books, encouraging multiple purchases in a single order. Now that we understand how the algorithm operates, let's discuss why it may be favoring other books over ours. The primary reason Amazon's algorithm isn't picking up our books is a low conversion rate. The conversion rate measures how many people are buying our book compared to how many are viewing it. For example, if 100 people click on our book listing and only 1 makes a purchase, our conversion rate is 1%. If 10 out of 100 buy, then our conversion rate is 10%. Books with higher conversion rates are favored by the algorithm because they effectively turn browsers into buyers, saving time and providing the right options. If our book isn't converting browsers into buyers, it means potential readers are leaving our page too soon and choosing other options. When we publish a new book, Amazon's algorithm initially pushes it organically for the first 30 days to test its performance based on metadata. If our book has a low conversion rate, it will be pushed down in search results, leading to fewer sales. So how can we make the algorithm work for us to increase sales? The solution lies in creating a book that readers can't resist. This means investing in a high-quality cover and interior. Our book should genuinely match the searcher's intent. For instance, if a customer is searching for a coloring book for toddlers, our cover, title, and description must accurately reflect the book's content. If our cover is appealing but the description isn't optimized, or if our A+ content lacks coherence with the cover design, potential buyers may lose interest. To ensure our book performs well with the algorithm, we should focus on several key elements. Create a high-quality cover that stands out. Develop a high-quality interior that delivers value. Publish optimized content that aligns with the book's color scheme. Optimize the title, subtitle, and description to accurately represent the book's content. Aim to gather reviews, as they play a significant role in long-term success. Initially, our book may lack reviews, but we can utilize book review swap websites or release an ebook for free to gather feedback. While reviews are crucial, our book cover, title, description, and A+ content will be the primary factors influencing early sales. Additionally, pricing our book competitively is essential. Now that we understand the algorithm's primary goal, why it may not be picking up our books, and how we can leverage these insights to enhance our sales, we're well on our way to success. Let's take action and make our KDP books shine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.